Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers and my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. Also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So I picked these up from Nike. I got this off of the SNKRS app. It's been a while off the SNKRS apps, but let's get to it. Let's crack this open right here. So here it is. From what I've seen, the quality in this was great. Again, this receipt right there. There's a random receipt. As you can see, it is a Jordan 1 box right here. You got the Nike branding all over. And here is the tag itself, size 10, Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. And colorway is Golden Harvest Black Sail. Suggested retail is $160 right there. So here it is, just white paper. And here are the shoes. These are the Rookie of the Year Jordan 1s right here. Let's take a quick look at the shoe. You got the black bottom right there with the Nike branding. Then you got the sail part right here, which is in a nicely tumbled leather right here. And then you got more of a suede nubuck material, basically the brown part. And this is supposed to look like what he was wearing during his Rookie of the Year when he did this speech. And again, that's his stats right there. 1984 to 1985 Rookie of the Year, 2,313 points. 28.2 points per game, and part of his speech right there. If you want to pause it, you can, but pretty much it just says, "This award is nice, but I just feel it's very important for each individual to go out and contribute to his team." MJ, Michael Jordan. Nike Air on the tongue in red, black laces. And you do have an extra set of laces in red right there. But yeah, overall quality, it does look pretty nice. You know, you got the tumbled, leather and stuff like that on the sail part, which lately they've been doing. I noticed the Jordan wings right there. But yeah, overall, pretty dope shoe. So if you guys have any questions, hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. All right, YouTube. Peace out.